Dreamsicle's diabetic. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. He was diagnosed fairly recently. Dreamsicle, can you show them? Dreamsicle, you can see he is down on his hocks in the back. If he walks around, you can see that he flops down on his hocks. That's because his his diabetes has been unregulated. That causes weakness in the back legs quite often, called neuropathy. Yeah, but he gets along really good, and as his diabetes gets better controlled, hopefully that will go away. Well, I shouldn't say hopefully, it will go away, won't it? Once we get your diabetes better. In fact, I hope to make your diabetes go away entirely so that you just eat low carbohydrate canned food and then you don't need insulin. That's what we're aiming for, right? Yes, that's what we're aiming for. Yeah. See, I'm trying very hard. Trying very hard to be that way. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So that's Dreamsicle. I call him McDreamy because he's very lovable. Aren't you, buddy? Yeah, and you're very young. Most diabetics are over 10 years old, but you're only about 4. I've had a rough go of it. Yeah. Oh. So very cute. So very cute. Yeah. Say, I'm cute. I know it. I see we spilled food all over the rug, didn't we? Yeah. Oops. Oops. Yeah, you're cute. This is Dreamsicle again. It's now several weeks later. You can see, hopefully, that his neuropathy's much better. Yeah, much better. It's been several weeks. We've been giving him insulin, feeding him low-carb, wet, canned cat food. Yeah. Yeah, he's so cute. And actually, Dreamsicle hasn't needed insulin in over a week now. We used an approach called tight regulation where we get the blood sugar numbers down to normal with insulin. And in many cases, more than 80% of the time, 90% of the time, the pancreas can then take over when they're fed a low carbohydrate wet food and they don't need insulin anymore. So you don't need insulin anymore. No. For him, I think it was just a matter of his blood sugar was high, he had diabetes, and even though before he came to my home for foster care, they put him on a low carbohydrate wet diet, his blood sugar was too high for his pancreas to take over. But once we got his blood sugars down to normal, his pancreas kind of sputtered. Yeah. Started working.